Only one thing we want to ask you, to ask everybody, please wake up America. This is the last chance. We cannot live in a fear. You cannot hide anything under the name of terror. It's a phony terrorism. It's a phony terrorism. If you have a find of terrorism, go to the White House. His name is Bush. He's a terrorist and he's not my representative. He's not representing this country. But we are getting out of the fear now. And one day people will see the truth. When the file will be open, when people will go through to that fact, they see that somebody using up America and we paying the price, and heavy price. Everybody hates this country now. Last 8 years, we're going down and down and down in the respect, because we're not respecting our Constitution of United States. There's no Constitution, any law that you can hide people somewhere in Guantanamo Bay in secret detention. After last 15 years, go to the Citibank, go to any Western bank in Switzerland and check if there's any Pakistani's bank account. You will see there's a generals. They have the billions dollar. How can you have $1 billion in your bank account? How can you dealing with $1 billion when the poor country of Pakistan don't have a drinking water, clean water over there? People are dying. They have the diarrhea. They have the typhoid,
every kind of
hepatitis B or C and E, every kind of hepatitis C. So everybody knows this thing. World Bank knows this thing. But the problem is this: the Western countries, our whole West, Britain, France, Germany, Holland, we're talking about the human rights, we're talking about the open government, and America. They are hiding the people who looted their countries. And that's a shame for the America, that's a shame for the West. And West government is not helping us. Western government should have to stand up against the American policies, American government policies, which is not American people's policies. Because American people don't want to interfere in anybody's problem. American people, they want to live there themselves. That's it.